Hello guys, so again it's another vlog, and today's vlog guys we will compare two Sony compact cameras. We have 2009 model, which is the Sony, and Sony DSC H-H20. This is a 2009 model or release date. So it's a CCD sensor with 1 and 2/3 inch CCD sensor. So for this camera, the Sony DSC H20. While here, our vlogging camera, everyday camera that we use for vlog, the Sony ZV-1 released 2020 with 1-inch BSI CMOS sensor. So CMOS sensor versus CCD sensor 2009 2020. So let's compare the video and photo on this camera. So again, both of this camera guys, it's amazing camera, so I don't have any problem for this camera, which is 2009 model, or my ZV-1, which is the one I use for everyday vlog. So again, both of this camera is amazing camera, and I use both this camera. So for if you want something like old style look, like it's not film, but it's look like a film type. So yeah, I like to use this DSC. Also, they have a filter. It's called old photo style. So it's already in the camera, and yeah, I'm gonna show you some sample photos regarding this camera, and also we have this for our daily vlog, the Sony CV1. Of course, we know that it's 4K versus the 720p. So 720p and 4K. So, but again, both camera is a very amazing camera. So it's the different types. So if you want a digital 4K, which is a very nice image sensor, like if you have 20 megapixel, so this is a good camera, the CV1. But this guy, which is um 10. Yeah, a 10 megapixel camera is also a good camera even now, 2000. And I'm posting only in social media, so I don't do prints. So this is more than enough for photos for me. So even I have 4 megapixel camera. But again, this two camera is amazing camera, guys. So yeah, and I'll show you side by side comparison for video and photo. So guys, let's do a quick comparison between 2009 model and 2020 model, or the Sony DSE H20 and the CV1, for a quick portrait test outdoor. So I will use automatic mode, photo, auto, photo, photo in automatic mode. So let's go. Yeah, like that. And that's it for today's vlog, guys. So, ayan, I like this really. I love this DSC for my for IG's posting and vintage look. And a CCD sensor with 10 megapixels. So, it's a great camera. It's a great compact camera for collection. So, if you want vintage style look photos, then check this. You have already also 10 times zoom. Yeah, you can zoom it optical 10 times optical zoom. And so again, this is the Sony DSC-H20 uh, from 2009 model. So again, our vlogging camera. I use this for I think for 6 months already, or 6, 7 months with this camera, and this is our vlogging camera that we use every day. So yeah, and actually I'm using the CV1 now for this recording, and well, what else you want on this camera? So some 4K with 20 megapixel, it's nice, like it's totally different kind of photos that you will have this on. It's like, yeah, it's digital and super sharp. And, yeah. So yeah, and I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Again, both this camera from Sony is amazing camera, but different style of use. So for me, if you can have this DSC in 2024, still best camera for, like, if you don't want to use digital, and if you want to use this only for video, and this is for like old style photo, Instagram posts, check this Sony DSC uh, DSC H20. So yeah, and I think that's it for today, guys. Again, I think you can buy this online or the trip market. I don't know. So I got this from a trip market, guys. So yeah, and I think that's it for today. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of the Sony CV1 or Sony CV1 Mark II or Sony CV1F, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So yan, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.